Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is JaaackJack and I'd love to invite you to click that red subscribe button to join the Little Flower family. In today's video, I'm sharing 6 different hairstyles that you can wear with hats. I've been obsessed with hats lately because they're the perfect cover-up when you're having a bad hair day, or if you're like me, they're the perfect cover-up when you have really bad roots that you desperately need to get redone. Like ASAP. They're all quick and easy hairstyles that you can wear with any type of hat. Snapbacks, dad hats, fedoras, beanies, cabbie hats, you name it. So if you're interested in seeing these 6 quick and easy hairstyles for hats, then just keep on watching. First, let's start off with the obvious, which is straight hair. I'm featuring the straight hairstyle with one of my favorite beanies that I actually got from a subscriber several years ago. But any hat you wear will look cute with just simple straight hair. If you have straight hair naturally, then you're in luck because you don't have to do a single thing to achieve this hairstyle other than putting a hat on your head. But if you don't have straight hair, you can easily just run your flat iron through your hair to achieve this look. Easy peasy, right? Look number 2 is also easy peasy, which is a basic ponytail. This is more ideal if you're wearing a baseball hat, dad hat, or snapback. I like to first start off by placing the hat on my head, and then I gather all my hair and tie it into a ponytail. Once I have that, I'll take the ponytail and pull it through the little loop part on the back of the hat. I personally like to pull out a few strands of my hair to frame my face to give this look an effortless, girly, but sporty kind of look. I usually do this on days when I don't have much time to fuss around with my hair because it's just that easy. Hairstyle number 3 is also another go-to for me because it takes no time at all. So grab your hat, literally any kind of hat will work with this style. I even wear it a lot with my beanies. Now split your hair into 2 sections, one on each side. I take my piece fingers and divide one of the sections into 3 like this. And then I create my simple basic 3-strand braid. All you have to do is take turns grabbing the middle section and bringing it to the outside section and alternating as you go. Repeat this on the next side and secure both of them with a hair elastic, and you have your 2 cute little braids. Again, I like to pull out some hair to frame my face to give this a more effortless vibe, and that's about it. Let's spice things up a bit with a different type of braid. Again, you can wear any hat for this hairstyle. I'm using my Riverdale dad hat for this look. So just like the 3-strand braid hairstyle, you want to start off by splitting your hair into 2 sections, one on each side. Now split one of those sections into 2 equal parts like this. Now pay close attention because this is where it can get a little confusing. Start by twisting both sections forward like this, and once you've twisted them enough, begin to twist them back together. This will prevent the twist from unraveling when you secure it with a hair tie. So just remember, when you're creating this rope braid, first twist forward, then twist back. I love this hairstyle because it looks so much harder than it really is. It's honestly a piece of cake once you get the hang of it. I could literally do this hairstyle with my eyes closed. Moving on to hairstyle number 5, we're creating these cute little buns. You can wear this with any hat, but I personally think it looks best with dad hats. This hat I got here is from my church, New Hope, and I'm kind of obsessed with it. So to create this hairstyle, you want to split your hair into 2 sections again, just like the previous hairstyle. But this time, take one of the sections and start to twist it and then wrap it around to form this messy little bun. I hold the bun down at the base and secure it with a hair tie. I'm going to repeat this onto the next side to create my 2 little buns. As always, pull down a few strands to frame your face, and bada bing bada boom, this hairstyle is complete. So far these hairstyles have been super easy, right? Lastly, we have the tousled curls look. This again will look super cute with any type of hat you want to wear, but for this hairstyle, I'm featuring this black wide rim hat. Actually, I have no idea what to call this. It's like a mix of a fedora, a cowboy hat, and a floppy hat all in one. But anyways, if you have naturally curled, textured hair, then you don't have to do anything to achieve this look. But for me, I took my flat iron and grabbed different sections and twisted my flat iron back to create these soft curls. Add in any hairstyling products you may need, like hairspray or hair oil, and go ahead and place your hat on top of your head, and this look is complete. Out of all the looks, I feel like this is the most put together kind of look. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Also, if you have a favorite hairstyle from today's video, be sure to share that with me as well in the comments below. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any requests for any other hair tutorial videos, then please be sure to let me know in the comments below. If you give any of these looks a try, I'd love to see photos, so be sure to tag me at JaaackJack on social media so I can see your beautiful recreations. I love you all so much, and I hope you have a magical and blessed day. Bye!